You are especially welcome to the next topic. This is broiler finisher feed using dried maggot meal. Remember, I've treated all the nutritional value of maggot meal. I've treated it in the last video. If you have not watched it, please try and watch that video. Now, I'm going to develop feed formula, finisher feed formula for broilers using dried maggot meal, which many of you requested in the comment section. And if you want me to develop the starter and layers for you, let me know on the comment section also. I'll also develop that. But now let's go into the finisher feed formula using dried maggot meal. For this feed formula, we are going to make use of corn or maize. Remember, I always tell you, maize is the major source of energy in any livestock feed, especially broilers. Now, this is dried maggot meal finisher feed formula. Finisher feed formula. Please, let's follow. My pen is now corn or maize, number 1. Maize, number 2 here is SBM. Number 3 here is dried maggot. Number 4 here is vegetable oil. Number 5 is limestone. Number 6 is DCP, dicalcium sulfate. Number 7 is salt. Number 8, premix enzyme toxic binder. All these are under here. Now let's use corn 55 kg. Now SBN, let's use SBN 28 kg. Dried maggot meal 8 kg. You can see dry maggot meal have dropped the cost of this feed because dry maggot you can get it easily from your farm. You can plant it, this is free. See here. So the next one is vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is 3 kg. Our next one is limestone 1.4 kg. Our next one is DCP 1.0 kg. Premix and others 3.3 kg. All this will give us 100 kg feed formula. This is what we need. Now, corn is the major source of energy in this particular video. Though corn still have some fat and crude protein, little crude protein, about 7 to 9% crude protein, depending on the color of the corn. White corn, yellow corn. Yellow corn has more crude protein than the white corn. Soybean is the major source of energy, is the major source of little of energy and the major source of plant protein here. Now we are talking about animal protein. We didn't use fish meal here. You can see we didn't use fish meal. We didn't use blood meal. Here we use maggot meal 8 kg. 8 kg have represented the animal protein source. Here for fat and oil. For fat, we are using 3 kg of vegetable oil. That 3 kg can be about 4 liters of oil. Now limestone, calcium. For calcium, we're using DCP here. We didn't use bone meal here. Here salt here as salt of phosphorus, we use it. Premix, all these are micronutrients. All these they make the feed richer and the quality enough for your chicken to enjoy their good health. Now let me give you the nutritional analysis of this particular feed. The crude protein of this feed, properly calculated, crude protein is 21.06%. That's the crude protein of this feed. Metabolizable energy, MOE, is 3,018 calories per kilogram. Now the fat from this is fat 7.03%. This is what this particular feed is all about. This is your feed formula here. Corn 55, soya bean 28, dried maggot meal 8 kg, vegetable oil 3 kg, limestone 1.4 kg, DCP, dicalcium phosphate, or you can still use bone 1.0 kg, salt. Please, I didn't add salt here. Salt is 0.3 kg, please. I forgot salt. 0.3 kg. Now, all these are additives. This one's addictive. That is the premise, enzyme, toxin binder, and others. The under premise 3.3 kg. And this is the nutritional analysis of the feed. Thank you for watching the video. Let me stop here for now. If you need more formula, please let me know on the comment section. For layers, for starter, let me know on the comment section. Share this video to reach more poultry farmers and subscribe to our channel. Be our channel member. Why are you not subscribing to channel membership? You don't want to be part of us. You only want to watch the video and go. Our channel members are there on monthly basis. They contribute token to make sure that the channel is ongoing. If you are not contributing to the growth of the channel, it means you don't want the channel to continue. You're going to not get anything from it. That's what it means. Please join the channel membership. Just little amount of money. Some groups, some of the groups is 1,000, some 600, some even 2,000, depending on the particular stage you want to be. It's very important. And subscribe to the channel for you to get the videos. Once subscribe, activate the bell notification so that anytime we release video, you get notified by this wonderful app. Then, if you subscribe, you are a channel subscriber. You're not a channel member. But if you move ahead and subscribe to channel membership, you become our channel member. You can at the same time, anytime, at your own time, consult me to help you in your business. As a channel member, I will go through it. And once you drop question on the comment section, your question will bear that channel membership tag. I will always see your question. Some of you, when you send questions to me or on the comment section, some of your questions I don't even see it. The channel will hide it. Some of you, your comments are not even shown. But if you're a channel member, once you drop comments, I will see it instantly. Because you're a channel member, see that money you're paying is not coming to me. It's going to the app. That's why it's not, you're not using my account. It's going to the channel. The channel that take care of that money. They know how to distribute it. They know how to share it. So it's better you subscribe and always bring your questions directly. That's one of the times you say, I have been dropping the question, I have not seen it. Because you're not a channel member. If you're a channel member, once you drop your question on the comment section, I will see it immediately. That's one thing. That's one of the benefits of being a channel member. And once the video is released, the app will first distribute it to the channel members. They will see the video before you. The first people they send the video are the channel members. They will see the video before you. Can you see it? You have a lot of things to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Till the next video is uploaded. Stay tuned. Don't go away. Bye for now.